Do you ever wonder which decisions you'll look back on in 20 years and not regret? Today, Mastril presents 10 decisions you won't regret 20 years from now. Imagine standing at the crossroads of life with countless paths stretching out before you. Each path represents a decision, and each decision shapes your life's journey. The choices we make today will echo into our future, shaping our happiness, success, and fulfillment. But how do we know which decisions will stand the test of time? In this video, we're exploring 10 life-altering decisions that you won't regret 2 decades down the line. These are the choices that will help you live a more meaningful, fulfilled, and content life. They might not be easy, but they are worthwhile. So, buckle up and prepare yourself for a journey into the future, where the decisions you make today are the stepping stones to a life well lived. Before we delve into it, please remember to subscribe to Mastril for more insightful content. The first decision you won't regret is pursuing your passion. Imagine a life where Mondays are as exciting as Fridays, where work feels like play, where every day is an opportunity to create, innovate, and grow. That is the magic of following your passion. It's about having the courage to listen to your heart, to defy the norms, and to take the path less traveled. Passion fuels ambition, it drives innovation, and it gives life a purpose. It's not about the money or the fame. It's about doing what you love and doing it well. It's about waking up every morning with a heart full of enthusiasm and a mind full of ideas. When you follow your passion, you're not just working, you're creating something meaningful. The journey may be challenging and there may be roadblocks, but the reward is a life lived with purpose and joy. 20 years from now, you'll look back with pride, knowing you chased your dreams. The second decision you won't regret is committing to continuous learning. Picture this. You're sailing a vast ocean called life, and knowledge is your compass guiding you to undiscovered lands. By dedicating yourself to lifelong learning, you're not just filling your head with facts, but you're cultivating a mindset of growth and adaptability. It's about keeping your mind sharp, agile, and ready to tackle the ever-evolving challenges of life. Now, consider the alternative, a stagnant pool, unchanged and unchallenged. Over time, that pool becomes murky, clouded, and uninviting. The same happens to a mind that ceases to learn. So, make the decision today to keep your mind fresh, vibrant, and invigorated through continuous learning. Remember, the world around us is in a state of perpetual change. To keep up, we must evolve. We must learn. It's not about knowing it all. It's about never stopping the pursuit of knowledge. Knowledge is a treasure that will always enrich your life. The third decision you won't regret is prioritizing your health. Now, we're not just talking about physical health here, but mental health as well. The two are intertwined, each impacting the other. Think about it like this. Your body is the vehicle that carries you through life. Would you neglect a car you needed for a 20-year journey? Most certainly not. You'd fuel it with the right stuff, ensure it gets regular checkups, and repair any damages promptly. That's exactly how you should treat your body. The same goes for mental health. It's the engine that drives that vehicle. Stress, anxiety, depression, these are all issues that can grind your gears and stall your progress. Seeking help, practicing mindfulness, and taking time to relax are all essential parts of maintaining a healthy mind. Your health isn't an area to compromise on. Your future self will thank you for taking care of your body. The fourth decision you won't regret is investing in meaningful relationships. Imagine the tapestry of your life, each thread representing a connection. It's these threads, these relationships that add color, depth, and richness to your existence. Our interactions with others shape who we are, influencing our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions. Strong, healthy relationships bring joy and provide support in times of distress. They challenge us, helping us grow and evolve. Consider the bonds you share with your family and friends. These relationships are precious, requiring care and attention. Like a garden that needs watering and sunlight to thrive, relationships too demand love, patience, and understanding. And in this fast-paced world, amidst the hustle and bustle, it's easy to lose sight of these bonds. But let's not forget that it's these connections that ground us, that make us human. So, take the time to nurture these relationships, to build bridges, not walls. Remember, in the end, it's the relationships that truly matter. The fifth decision you won't regret is starting to save and invest early. Imagine having the peace of mind that comes with a secure future. That's the power of saving and investing. It's not just about stacking up piles of money in a bank account. It's about making your money work for you. Investing might sound complicated, but it doesn't have to be. With a bit of research and the right advice, you can make informed decisions that will grow your wealth over time. And remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Saving, on the other hand, is about discipline. It's about foregoing those little pleasures today for greater rewards tomorrow. It's putting a part of your income aside, not just for the rainy days, but also for the sunny ones, for the dreams and aspirations you want to achieve. Your future self will appreciate your foresight and financial wisdom. The sixth decision you won't regret is traveling and exploring the world. Think of travel as more than just a break from your routine or a chance to tick off a destination from your bucket list. It's an opportunity to broaden your perspectives, to understand different cultures, and to see the world from a fresh angle. Each journey you embark on is a chance to learn something new, to challenge your preconceptions, and to grow as an individual. Traveling also has the power to inspire. It can spark creativity, fuel passion, and breathe life into dreams. It's an investment in your personal growth and well-being. From the awe-inspiring beauty of nature to the rich tapestry of human history, every corner of the world has a story to tell, a lesson to teach, and an experience to offer. Traveling isn't just about the places you go, but the person you become along the way. So, pack your bags, open your mind, and let the journey begin. 20 years from now, you'll cherish the memories of your adventures. The seventh decision you won't regret is taking calculated risks. Life, in its essence, is an unpredictable journey filled with twists and turns. It's like a vast ocean where we sail our ships, not knowing what awaits us. Yet, the real thrill of this journey lies in the unexpected, in the unknown. It lies in taking risks. Risks are the stepping stones to growth. They push us out of our comfort zones, compelling us to face our fears, to challenge our limitations. They are the gateways to new opportunities, new experiences, and new perspectives. They are the seeds of innovation, of discovery, and of progress. Taking calculated risks is not about being reckless. It's about making informed decisions, about weighing the potential gains against the potential losses. It's about having the courage to embrace uncertainty, to navigate uncharted territories, and to turn the odds in our favor. So, take that leap of faith, venture into the unknown, and let the winds of risk guide your sail. Remember, no risk, no reward. The eighth decision you won't regret is practicing gratitude. It's more than simply saying thank you. It's about acknowledging the good in your life and recognizing that the source of that goodness is often outside of yourself. When we practice gratitude, we're essentially training our minds to focus on the positive aspects of our lives, shifting our perspective from what we lack to the abundance that's already present. Practicing gratitude has been linked to increased happiness. It can turn an ordinary day into a feast, transform routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. Beyond happiness, it can also improve our relationships. By expressing gratitude to the people in our lives, we foster a sense of mutual respect and camaraderie. Remember, gratitude is not a passive response to something good happening, but an active stance towards the world. It's a continuous journey of discovery, one where we learn to see the beauty in every moment. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. The ninth decision you won't regret is giving back to your community. This is more than just a nice sentiment. It's a way of life that can bring immense satisfaction and a sense of purpose. When we contribute to society, we not only help others, but we also enrich our own lives. Think of it as a circle of generosity that keeps on giving, a cycle that nourishes us, those around us, and the world we live in. It could be as simple as volunteering at a local charity, mentoring a young person, or planting a tree in your neighborhood. The options are endless. Giving back is an investment not only in the community but also in ourselves. It fosters a sense of belonging, cultivates empathy, and brings joy. It teaches us that we have the power to make a difference, no matter how small our actions may seem. In the grand scheme of life, it's not just about what we achieve for ourselves, but what we do for others that truly counts. Remember, the more you give, the more you receive. The 10th decision you won't regret is living authentically. Living authentically requires courage and self-awareness. It's about being true to who you are, embracing your uniqueness and not allowing societal pressures to mold you into something you're not. It's about recognizing that you are a unique individual with your own set of values, beliefs, interests, and passions. It's about not being afraid to express your true self, even if it means breaking away from the crowd. Living authentically means not living in the shadow of others' expectations, but rather lighting your own path. It means waking up every day and making decisions that are in line with your own values and aspirations, not those imposed by society. Choosing to live authentically is choosing to live a life of integrity, a life that reflects who you truly are. It's about being real, being you. 20 years from now, you'll be proud of the person you've become. So, those were the 10 decisions you won't regret 20 years from now. Each one of them is a stepping stone towards a more fulfilled and authentic life. Let's quickly recap. Pursuing your passion because it's the fuel that drives your life's purpose. Engaging in continuous learning because knowledge is power. Maintaining your health because without it, nothing else matters. Building and nurturing relationships because we thrive on connection. Saving and investing because financial freedom is priceless. Traveling to broaden your horizons and understand the world better. Taking calculated risks to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Practicing gratitude to appreciate the abundance in your life. Giving back to society because kindness is the highest form of wisdom. And finally, living authentically because there's no better person to be than your true self. Remember, the choices you make today shape your tomorrow. Make them count.